Network SOS, fixing the Xfinity blinking orange light. So is your Xfinity router stuck on this orange loop? In this year, this is one of the most common issues, and it usually means one thing: your modem is crying out for a signal it can't find. Whether you're setting up for the first time or your internet just dropped out of nowhere, you're not getting a handshake from the Xfinity network. Today, I am showing you the CCC method, cable, cycles, and connection to get that light back on solid white. Let's fix it. Alright, and the first thing is looking at the hardware. So firstly, the coax check. Trace the thick coaxial cable from the back of your router to the wall. Unscrew it completely, and then screw it back in until it's finger tight. Then look for splitters. These are the little metal boxes that split one cable into two. This here, with high speed signals, these are often the silent killers of a connection. Remove any splitters and plug your router directly into your wall outlets. If that fixes the orange light, your splitter was bad or too old for your speed tier. Okay, and now let's talk about the software. So firstly, unplug your gateway from the wall and wait full 60 seconds. And then plug it back in. And after that, give it up to 10 minutes to finish its boot sequence. If the light turns solid orange, do not unplug it. It's likely downloading a firmware update. Wait at least 20 minutes. Then, the activation. If you're setting up a new device, open the Xfinity app on your phone using cellular data. If the app says your modem isn't activated, follow the on-screen steps. Sometimes the light blinks orange simply because the network hasn't allowed your device in yet. And these should fix you guys. If that light is now solid white, you're back in business. If not, it's time to check the Xfinity outage map in your area. That's it for this video, guys. Enjoy and see you next time.